So hello again. I'm driving away from that job now, but with lunch. I love pho. Yeah. So that's a perfect example. Just a simple job. $38 a month. I think the contract. I don't know exactly how long the contract. I actually don't even worry about how long the contract goes anymore. A lot of most of the times at the very beginning, what you're going to do is, as you're financing, you're going to say, okay, I only want this one to go 24 months because I'm nervous about it, or I only want this to go 36 months, or whatever. Me, I don't really care. I look at the numbers. I'm looking at how much is going to be easy for them to have come in. It's going to be 22 months. Oh, it's going to be 47 months. To me, the number of months doesn't really matter. It's just minimum monthly payment, the down payment, payment at completion, minimum monthly payment. What's the minimum monthly payment going to be? And this one's going to be very low, $38 a month, which means I know that they're going to be able to handle it just fine. If I need to, I can take it out in food, which I love. The fact that paying food with interest that's earned on an account is always awesome. But yeah, that's kind of the process that I go through. This will be entered into the software. The check that was given will be entered into the software, the actual account and routing information. Everything will be plugged in according to the contract, the dates stuff. I'll calculate, really quick. Takes 2 minutes to calculate with the loan calculator how many months they're going to be paying the $38 a month, and I'll just plug that in. So that's what I'm talking about in the standpoint of doing small, constant contracts like this. I would much rather have 1,000 of these contracts at $38 a month than I would one at 3,800, or one at 38,000. You know what I mean? You're strapping whatever company or whatever person that you're doing it, the larger the number is. Now, I could have made this larger. I could have made it $69. I could have made it $100 a month, and I'm sure that they'd be okay with that. The thing now is I'm looking at it for the interest. I'm looking at it as a credit card company, basically, or as a lender. I don't want them to pay off their bill really quick, but at the same time, they still can. I give them that option. So that's what I'm talking about. When you do it that way, it's a total win-win. So with that, I just increased my passive income for the next, I don't know, 3, 4, probably 4.5 years by $38 a month. That's a meal every month. You do 100 of those, and that's a pretty good income with interest for the next 3 to 5 years. So keep doing it, keep moving forward on it. Start with those people that you feel comfortable with financing, and work your way through. And always remember that greed and fear in financing are the two things that will lead you to collections. You will always have to deal with collections if you do that. Now, always, that's the main thing. Always remember that. Always remember that greed, meaning greed, upping the interest, upping the monthly, or upping the dollar amount too high, that sort of thing, always leads to issues that way. Fear is, what if I'm not going to get paid? As soon as you have that, it means that you're probably going to raise the minimum monthly payment and make it hurt them to make you feel more comfortable. Or you're going to raise the interest rate for greed. You're going to, it's those aspects of it. Keep the payments low, keep them long, make it so they forget about them, make it, it's automatic withdrawal. So set it up that way, and you forget about it, and you just make the money. So that's where we're at. Okay, I hope this helps you out. I will continue doing it as I get more contracts. Me personally get contracts, not my other guys, and we'll continually move forward on this to give you actual, real events that are happening, to show contracts coming in and help you get past your own fears or your own greed in this process to be able to make your own passive money, passive income, make the interest, keep the merchant fees, keep all of it. So, the other thing too is this client is probably going to sign up for one of his other businesses. I just talked to him today, gave him the free membership. He's going to look at the videos. He's very, very curious about what we're doing with it, and we'll probably use it for his, he has a mobile home park. And so that's going to be a new one, a mobile home park that is able to do auto withdrawal for their clients. We're going to work out the contract a specific way, and I think that it'll be a huge, huge benefit for him, and make it so that he knows money comes in month after month. Doesn't have to wait until they pay. Doesn't have to, he'll be able to do a lot of it himself. So that's where we're at. Just plug it away this new year, and Happy New Year.